have melted, and the continents are deep beneath the waves. The survivors live on these floating fortresses known as atolls in this place called Waterworld. Brave explorers voyage in search of the legend of Dryland, the last remaining on the planet. But the Deacon, maniacal leader of a group of evil raiders called Smokers, is determined to find Dryland first. He's ensured that no explorer has ever returned until now.
Matt, what we got? It's a woman! Looks like it's Helen! Return signal! Open the gate!
Close the gates! Matt, keep a lookout.
Helen!
Sage, come help me.
Bring it in! It's so good to see you alive. Where have you been?
Feast your eyes on this.
It's pure dirt.
Yeah.
How'd you come by it?
I've been to Dryland.
Tryland is a myth.
No, it's not a myth. I've been there. It's our salvation! We can all start new lives on Dryland, but we have to hurry. The Deacon and his smokers are after me.
Smokers in the distance! Battle station! Hey, get to that tower, hurry! Matt, signal alarm! Drill field is not a drill! Everyone, keep your heads on a swivel! Come on, get to the armory lock down the gate. Got a seaplane? They've got a seaplane! Does anyone have eyes on the seaplane? Hey! Incoming from the south! Get Tiger Woods. Hey, did you see that little kid over there? You're dead. Get the girl. Hey, cousin! Mariner's right there. I can see this and have one eye. Mariner! When I should take his head off, take his head off. Take his head off! We've got guns, he's got water, he's kicking our butts! Hey Chuck, did you see the bottom of my shoe? No? Train that guy? You did, boss! Yeah? Who's this? Hey! Get the girl! What you doing with the fish boy? He's not your kind. He doesn't have a kind. No, let's throw in the flounder. We've got a runner. Find your weapon. You're not gonna ruin my plans for Dryland, you freak. You mutated freak! Weapon! Hey! Find me a weapon. Thank you, Chuck. Hey, now we go! Let's go! Come and get it.
Mariner, go! Hey! You've got something on your face. You've got something on your... Mariner! I think we got him.
It's on your back. Now, why is he still alive? I want him dead! When he's dead, I'll signal my signal. We'll blow this place to keep him calm. Now I'll take care of the coffee. Now what is wrong with this thing? Yeah, cousin Duck. Sorry, I can't see. There's something with a little more kick. Ask can you shower Steve? Hey, Mariner! Say hello to me first. Oops. Hey, do us all a favor. Stand in one spot! Get him, Chuck! Come on, Chuck! You idiot! Okay, I see. You're using Chuck as a shield. But I never liked Chuck! Yes! Thank you. Helen, get up. Come on, we've got to go. Hey, somebody signal my seaplane. Oh, look at that. I think I'm a minute dead. So's your boyfriend. Did you see that ladder? Faster. I've got a brand new vision. The pilgrimage for to the dry land. Just you and me, savoring the sweet flavor of dry land. Alright, that's enough. You! Ah, you idiot! Stay down, my pretty boy. Helen, go pack. Till I get my seaplane. Let's go, fish boy! Now let's decide the fate of the new world. Is it gonna be men or fish?
I'll get the boat!
You're not going anywhere. Now in the hole in your boat, you have nothing. All that hair. Alright, that's enough now, pretty boy. Now, pull up, cousin. You made me hit my seaplane, but it doesn't matter. I have your woman. I killed your friends. So who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have a leg to stand on.
No!
Yes, I, Deacon of Waterworld, celebrate the birth of a nation. Dryland is my destiny.
Hey, Deacon!
Hey, what? No!
Okay, open the gates! I should have stayed on dry land. Mariner! Hurry. Place is gonna blow. I'm wrong.
And so the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner rows the 4 points